If you drive a Toyota RAV4 from 2019 onward, you know the center console is basically a deep, dark abyss. It's a black hole where pens, change, and your parking pass go to die. This simple secondary storage tray claims to solve that chaos instantly, and honestly, it's a game changer for daily driving. The first thing to note is the compatibility. This organizer is designed specifically for the 2019 through 2024 RAV4 models, ensuring a perfect, factory-like fit. It's not some universal tray you have to wedge in. The material itself is a reinforced ABS plastic. It feels sturdy and durable, not brittle or cheap, which is essential for something that's going to be constantly handled. The installation process is almost laughably simple, and that's the best part. There are no tools, no adhesives, and no modifications required. You literally just drop the tray and the divider directly into the existing console space. It creates an immediate upper layer, transforming that deep well into two usable zones. This is crucial because it means you can access your frequently used items, like your phone, sunglasses, or ID cards, without having to dig past your emergency flashlight and charging cables stored below. The divider system is what truly makes this useful. It allows you to compartmentalize those small, annoying items that usually rattle around. We're talking lipstick, pens, maybe a small hand sanitizer bottle. Everything has its place, making the interior feel instantly more neat and tidy. And if you ever need to clean the console or access the deep storage below, the entire unit is fully removable in seconds. For anyone who values organization and hates clutter, this is one of those small, inexpensive upgrades that delivers massive daily satisfaction. It makes the console feel like it was actually designed with human use in mind, rather than just being a giant empty box. If you're tired of fishing for your keys at the bottom of the console, this secondary box insert divider is an essential, effortless fix. It's a fantastic way to maximize the storage potential of your RAV4.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.